Okay.
Guys, I'm confused. I don't know why we see people hitting air horn and scaling like this. Darling, start the video. We running it, please. I don't want it. Scaling on the people like this. Oh my god. We want it, darling. Darling, we wanted it. We wanted it.
She hot. Oh my god.
This is funny. Oh my god.
Jesus!
Oh god. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Hold it! I can't! Oh! Okay, give it to us again. Do it again. Oh my god, it looks be funny right there. Okay.
These air horn pranks.
This is the worst. Oh my god.
You call this worse?
I know, this is the worst.
Anyway, I'm back.
Jesus! Bullshit.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I can't do this anymore.
Oh god. I'm gonna end the video right now because I'm about to die of laughter. So bye guys.
Okay. Leave my there. Oh god. Alright. Time this video too. I can't do this anymore. Alright, you can stop now.
I already paused it.
Okay, just give me a break. Oh.
Man, I'm too tired of this crap. I just want this crap to be over with.
Okay. Alright.
Panda.
Stop now. Okay, Silver.
Oh shit.
I'm serious. Darling,
It's fine.
you shut it off.
Jesus!
Okay. Silver, shut it off.
Oh no, you chick.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Cat.
Okay, Silver, just shut it off. Okay. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, give me a second. I'm gonna get myself. Okay, Silver. We do that tomorrow. We do it again tomorrow. Okay, Silver. You do it again tomorrow. Okay. Okay. I gotta breathe. Oh my god. Okay.
Silver, you okay?
Oh, okay.
I'm nearly about to die of laughter.
Okay, I'm gonna upload this video right now. I guess I even want to do this right now. Alright.
What is it?
Okay, darling. Do that tomorrow.
Oh my
Alright.
god.
I'm gonna end in this videos right now. Hi.
Yeah.
Thank
Today.
you. Oh,
Well, today is quite the funny day.
yeah. Probably. Alright, time to end this videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And, click the bell in the description so I don't know. He would hang out. It's gonna be terrible. Alright. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And, you want to check out Zachary's channel? Head check him out. I don't know what to do. Alright. Alright. Bye, everyone. Have a good day. Have a good night. Happy Valentine's Day. Talk to you later. So, see everyone. Wait, hold on. Oh, yes, let me do that.